Hello everyone. So we have this interesting question from algebra today where we will be using the concept of system of equations and we will also use the concept of exponents. So these two topics we'll be using to answer this question. First of all, there is one rule of exponents which says that if we have a raised to power x is equals to a raised to power y. That means when we have same base on both the sides of the equation and the both sides of equations are equal, then the powers must be equal. That means if we have a raised to power x equals to a raised to power y, that means x should be equals to y. This is the condition of exponents. This is the rule of exponents. Okay. Now, if I apply this rule on the first equation, the bases are same, 2 and 2. That means power p plus u should be equals to power 8. So let me write this. P plus u is equals to 8, right? Now, the same thing can be applied on the second equation. The base is same, 5 and 5. That means the power should be same. U minus 3 should be equals to 2. Let me write this. U minus 3 is equals to 2. Now we have two equations and we will be solving these two equations to find the value of P and U. Now, if I solve the second equation from here, I can get U is equals to 2 plus 3. That means U equals to 5. So one of the value is here with me, U is 5. And the next value that I need to find is of T. So what I can do, in the first equation, I can substitute the value of U. Let me substitute U in first equation. That means T plus 5 is equals to 8. So T will give me 8 minus 5, which is T equals to 3. Correct. So these are the two values of the variables that was asked to find, T and U. T is 3 and U is 5. So this is our answer. I hope you understood the question well and you enjoyed the solution as well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.